we are going to discuss about the integration by the substitution methods. Now we take some example here. Now here integration by substitution method, solution of 41. Solution of 41, integration of sec square 3x plus 2 by 2x plus 5 dx. Now here integration of sec square 3x dx plus integration of 2 by 2x plus 5 dx. Now in this case putting 3x equal to t, so that differentiating it with respect to t here, so that this is equal to 3 dx equal to dt. It means that dx equal to dt by 3 here. And in this case putting 2x plus 5 equal to p. Now differentiating it with respect to p here, 2 dx equal to differentiation of this is equal to 0, so that 2 dx equal to dp. It means that in this case dx equal to dp by 2. Now putting this in this and this is in this question. Now here integration of sec square 3x equal to t and dx 3x and dx equal to dt by 3 plus in this case 2 comes here, so that 2 of integration of 1 by 2x plus 5 equal to p and dx equal to dt by 2. Now here integration of 3 is a constant 1 by 3 and integration of sec square t, that is tan x, here tan t, here tan t and plus 2 and 2 cancel. Integration of 1 by p dp equal to log p. Putting the value of t in this case 1 by 3 tan t is equal to 2x plus in this case log p equal to x plus 5 plus constant integration constant c here. This is our answer. Now we take the question number 42, integration of tan x dx. This is also used the formula to solve the some example. Now here we integrate this. Integration of tan x dx 42. Integration of tan x dx. Now putting first of all we change it. Integration of, now here integration of tan x dx, so that tan x equal to sin x by cos x dx. Putting cos x equal to t, differentiating with respect to t here, cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt, so that sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Now putting this in the equation here, cos x here 1 by t and sin x dx equal to minus dt, minus comes here and dt, so that integration of 1 by t dt log t, and putting the value of t equal to cos x here, log cos x. Now as you know that log m के power n is equal to n log m. In the similar sense here, in this case here minus 1, this can be written as minus 1 and comes here the log cos minus 1 and cos inverse x, and this is equal to 1 by cos x, and 1 by cos x equal to sec x, because cos x and sec x are reciprocal to each other, so that integration of tan x dx equal to log sec x. Now we take another example here, 43. Now question number 43 here, integration of cot x and dx, solution of this. First of all we change this. Integration of cot x cos x by sin x dx. Now putting sin x equal to t, so that differentiating it with respect to t, sin x, that is a cos x dx equal to dt. Now putting this in the question, cos x dx equal to dt, cos x dx equal to dt, integration of, and 1 by sin x equal to t to 1 by t and dt. Now integration of 1 by t dt is log t. Putting the value of t here, log t equal to sin x, log sin x. Here plus integrating constant c. This is our answer, log sin x plus c. Now this is used in the formula, but here integration of this. In this case we also write the integrating constant. If we use this as like a program, but in the formula we use this. Now 44 here, 44 here, integration of sec x dx, integration of sec x dx. Now for the integration, Now for the integration here, sec x dx, so that we arrange this, we multiply here sec x dx, sec x plus tan x in denominator as divide by numerator as divide by denominator, sec x plus tan x dx. Now putting sec x plus tan x equal to t. After that, differentiating it with respect to t. Here sec x plus tan x, sec x plus tan x, sec x tan x, and differentiating of sec x tan x, that is equal to sec square x dx equal to dt. Now we take the common sec x tan x plus here sec x dx equal to dt. Now putting this equation equal to sec x tan x plus sec x dx equal to dt, sec x plus tan x dx equal to dt, and this is equal to t, so that integration of 1 by t dt. Now integration of 1 by t is log t, and putting the value of t, log t is equal to sec x plus tan x, sec x plus tan x, and integrating constant c. This is the integration of sec x dx, so that integration of sec x dx, equal to log sec x plus tan x plus sec x plus c. And now we take another example here. Now here integration of cosec x dx, cosec x equal to 1 by sin x dx, and sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, because as you know that sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x. If we apply the half angle, so that this will be half 2x x, so x by 2x, and here 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 dx, and multiply numerator and denominator cos square x by 2, here cos square x by 2, so that this converts sec square x by 2, and this is cos x by 2, remove only cos x by 2, here sin x by 2, that is tan x by 2, 2 tan x by 2 here. Now putting tan x by 2 equal to t here, so that differentiating it with respect to t, tan x equal to sec square x by 2 and 1 by 2 x by 2 1 by 2 here, dx equal to dt, so that this will be equal to integration of sec square x by 2, here sec square x by 2 1 by 2 sec square x by 2 dx equal to dt and tan x by 2 equal to t, so that 1 by t dt. This convert simply 1 by 2 sec square x by 2 dx equal to dt and tan x by 2 equal to t, so that this is 1 by t. Integration of this is equal to log t. Putting the value of t equal to tan x by 2, so that log tan x by 2, it means that integration of cosec x dx, integration of cosec x dx equal to log tan x by 2 plus integrating constant c. This is answer. Now we write this formula here, convert the tan x by 2 in the another form. Now tan x by 2 can be written as sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. Now we multiply numerator and denominator. 2 sin x by 2 sin x by 2 into sin x by 2, and here 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Now this is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. 2 sin square x by 2 divided by, this is equal to here sin x, simple sin x, because sin x by 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Now we apply the formula here. As you know that cos x equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. This is also equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. This is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Now this formula here, 2 sin square x by 2 sin square x by 2 comes here, so that with the help of this 2 sin square x by 2 equal to comes here 1 minus cos x, and divided by sin x, so that in this case this convert equal to 1 minus cos x divided by sin x. Now here integration of this here, log tan x by 2 1 minus cos x by sin x, 1 minus cos x by sin x, and this is integrating constant c here, so that 1 by sin x log 1 by sin x minus cos x by sin x plus c, and this is also equal to here log cosec x minus cot x. plus c, so that integration of cosec x, integration of cosec x dx, this can also be used to solve the sum problem, and also we use the log tan x by 2 plus c here, so that this is 45. Question number 45. Now we take another example. Now question number here 46. Integration in form of root. Here this is a root 4, this is a root 4, this is a root 4. So that question number 46 here, 46 here, integration of 1 by a square minus x square under root a square minus x square dx. 1 by under root a square minus x square dx. Now here, as you see that if you put here comes 1 by under root 1 minus x square, then that is a form of sin integration of sin inverse x. Now putting x equal to a sin theta in this case, so that theta equal to x by a sin inverse. Now here, and differentiating it with respect to theta, dx equal to a constant and sin theta, that is differentiation cos theta, and d theta here. So that putting this value in this case 1 by a square and x equal to a sin theta, x square equal to a square sin square theta, and dx equal to a cos theta d theta comes here. Now we take here is a, and a comes out from the under root, simple a cancel, and under root 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta, under root cos square theta, and that is remove the under root, simply cos theta, and this cos theta and cos theta cancel. Now integration of 1 d theta, integration upon, it means that is a theta, and theta is equal to sin inverse x by a, so that sin inverse x by a and integrating constant c as we add here, so that integration of 1 by under root a square minus x square dx equal to sin inverse x by a plus integrating constant c. This is the solution of this. We add the integrating constant, but if you use this formula in the problem, that only take the sin inverse x by a here. Now question number 47, integration of 1 by under root x square plus a square dx. Now in this case also we put x equal to, as you know that 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, so that 1 plus tan square theta, putting x equal to a tan theta here, putting x equal to a tan theta, is dx equal to a tan theta, differentiation of this is sec square theta d theta, so that we convert here dx equal to a sec square theta d theta, a sec square theta d theta divided by x square and a square tan square theta plus a square. Now comes a square, take the common a square up and comes here, from the under root only simple a and a cancel, and in the bracket 1 plus tan square theta, that is sec square theta, and remove the under root, that is simple sec theta, and sec theta and sec theta cancel, 1 sec theta comes here, so that integration of sec theta equal to sec theta d theta. This is equal to this. As you know that integration of sec theta equal to log tan theta plus sec theta. Sec theta equal to integration of sec theta log tan theta plus sec theta. Here tan theta and 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So that simply sec theta is equal to under root 1 plus tan square theta. Now putting tan theta equal to x by a here, so that x by a and 1 plus x square by a square, and here we take the LCM a square plus x square by a square, and this is under root, so that this comes a and x plus under root a square plus x square by a. Log of this, log m by n is equal to log m minus log m, so that log of these terms and minus log of this. This is a is a constant, so that log of a, deleting the constant terms log a, deleting or removing, neglecting these terms, so that log x plus under root x square plus a square, and integration of this we add in the answer constant c here, so that this is the integration of 1 by under root x square plus a square equal to log x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. But in the formula, as we use this as a formula only, we take this terms. Now we take another example. Now question number 48 here. Integration of 1 by under root x square minus a square dx. Now 1 by under root x square minus a square dx, and here putting x is equal to a sec theta, so that dx equal to a integration differentiation of here differentiate e with respect to theta, dx equal to a sec theta, differentiation of sec theta equal to sec theta tan theta, and d theta here sec theta tan theta into d theta here. Now with the help of this theta here, in this case x equal to a sec theta equal to sec theta equal to x by a. Now putting this in our problem here, integration of 1 by dx here, dx equal to a sec theta tan theta d theta dx, and divided by under root x equal to a sec theta a square sec square theta minus a square here. Now in this case integration of a sec theta tan theta d theta here divided by, we take the common a square, simple a here, and under root sec square theta minus 1, because it comes here a square and a square. Now as you know that 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and this comes here so that tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1 we use tan square theta, so that a and a remove, sec theta, tan theta, d theta, and here in this case simple say under root tan theta, tan square theta, and this is simple tan theta, tan theta, tan theta remove, so that integration of sec theta d theta. Now here, so that tan theta remove sec theta, and integration of sec theta equal to log sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta, tan theta equal to here sec square theta minus 1, so that under root this, and sec theta equal to x by a, putting this and taking a square common, x square minus a square, and simple a, so that log m by 10, log m minus 10, so that log a is a constant, and removing this, and now log of this c is the integrating constant. Now like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.